Another great day for November here in West Michigan. How much longer can we hang on to this nicer weather? 13 weather ball is still green, and that means no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Around the region, lots of sunshine again today. We're almost at sunset. Let me check my watch here. It says it's going to go down in 7 minutes. That's the sunset here this evening. Looking at clear skies this evening as well. Temperatures cracked the 60-degree mark earlier this afternoon in many locations. Still 61 in Kalamazoo. We're in the mid-50s right now at 5 o'clock. Lots of sunshine again today. We had a few high clouds very late last night and to start our day, but we've got clear skies early tonight, and then we'll see an increase to our clouds starting right around daybreak tomorrow. But look, there's very little active weather across much of the country. A few rain and snow showers way up in northwest Montana and some rain down in some of the Gulf states. But thanks to high pressure, we're looking at some great weather. 53 right now, 60s up to our north and west, in the 50s along the U.S.-Canadian border, and even a few temperatures flirting with 70 to our south. I think we'll get into the 60s during the day tomorrow. High pressure right here controlling our weather patterns. It's going to be another cold night, but the winds pick up out of the south tomorrow. In fact, during the afternoon and overnight hours, it's going to get rather windy. There's a cold front approaching. Some high clouds late tonight, but they'll be thickening up throughout the day tomorrow. So we'll go from sunny to mostly cloudy during the afternoon. There's that cold front increasing the winds late tomorrow, and then watch the showers. They just blossom right along that front. That is between about midnight tomorrow night, so another dry day tomorrow, and about noon on Friday. And then sun comes back out on Friday. As you might expect, with that cold front going through, it's going to drop our temperatures out of the 50s after midnight of Friday morning into the 30s by Friday evening. So quite a drop in our temperatures. And then we got a dry but cool weekend coming up. It's going to be great around here. In terms of rainfall, all of this will come between about midnight tomorrow night and about noon on Friday. And we're talking about a quarter to maybe a half an inch of rain. Could use a little bit. It's been about 6 or 7 days since we've had any significant precipitation here in West Michigan. We're going to be trending colder next week, the end of our 10-day forecast. Higher chances that cool weather will prevail from the 21st through the 25th. Average highs at that time are in the low and mid 40s, so it's going to be even a little bit cooler than that with the warm weather out west. In terms of rain and snow, we have just a slightly higher chance for more rain and possible snow. Most of it will likely be in the form of rain. As far as our forecast, clear this evening. Light and variable winds will pick up out of the south later on tonight, and then mostly cloudy by daybreak. 38 to 40 north, around 41 to 43 Muskegon and Holland to the south. Northern zones, clear skies, light west wind will become south late tonight, mid to upper 30s, and then mostly cloudy skies. Clear again early this evening. Temperatures will fall into the upper 30s to near 40 before the clouds roll on in with a light south wind. 13 on your side forecast. Dry day tomorrow. It'll be windy and warm, up to 62. Average high is 47. Rain again of tomorrow night through about noon on Friday. Just kind of breezy with that north wind. Temperatures right around daybreak will be in the upper 40s, and they'll drop into the low 40s by the end of the day. But the actual highs and lows will be at midnight on both ends. 45 for Saturday and Sunday with dry conditions. Another round of wet weather Monday night. Tuesday, it may extend into Wednesday morning. Some of the models indicating that there could be a little bit of snow mixed in with that. We'll reserve judgment until next week. Dry Thanksgiving, and maybe on Black Friday a couple of rain and snow showers, but definitely cooler weather later on next week, maybe a little more appropriate for the end of November.
I know the hunters' ears perked up when they heard maybe some tracking stuff.
They could use some of that tracking snow. I'm looking forward to the sunshine this weekend, but probably not the hunters.
Thank you, George.
Another great day here in West Michigan for November. For most of us, we enjoy the sunshine, dry weather to get around. We do have some rain on the way, but we still have another nice day tomorrow. 13 weather ball is green as a result, so no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Had a number of days with lots of sunshine, and we've got clear skies for Nala this evening. Danielle, I'm giving you the green paw for your evening walk. Temperatures falling from the 50s into the 40s. And in the morning for Nala, it should be great as well. We'll see lots of sunshine to start. Another green paw kind of start to the day. Temperatures are right around 40. Almost as much sunshine tomorrow as we saw today. It was 8.3 today, 8.0 tomorrow, 69% home energy savings. And winds will be a little bit brisk. It'll be most likely late in the day. 1.9 million equivalent homes powered. Here's your deer hunting forecast for Thursday. You can expect temperatures tonight to drop into the upper 30s to near 40 and then climb into the low 60s tomorrow. We'll see an increase to the high clouds throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. Around the area, lots of clear skies tonight. We've got almost a new moon, so it's going to be a rather dark night full of stars. Very little active weather. Nothing going on in the upper Midwest. Some high clouds coming in late in the day tomorrow. High pressure in control, keeping us clear and dry once again before a cold front arrives. So high pressure overnight. We're going to start our day with lots of sunshine. A lot of high clouds coming in the afternoon. It'll become mostly cloudy by the end of the day. Notice some showers starting to form up here along a cold front. They're just going to kind of blossom late Thursday night through Friday morning. This is where the front will be Friday morning. By afternoon, the rain has ended and the skies have cleared. And we got a clear night coming up for Friday night, and lots of sunshine and dry weather for much of the weekend. Most of the rain will be occurring between about midnight and about noon on Friday. You can see nothing going on, but we could see up to a ½ inch, maybe a little bit more, down along the I-94 corridor. We are going to cool off toward the end of November. High chances it will be colder than average from the 23rd through the 29th. Averages are in the low and mid 40s, and a high chance that we'll see less precipitation during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, clear skies early and then becoming mostly cloudy late. Upper 30s to near 40 north, low 40s south. Northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 30s with an increase to our cloud cover late tonight, and right around 40 or so, maybe a little bit shy of that here in the greater Grand Rapids area. 13 on your side forecast. So another dry, cloudier, but mild day tomorrow. Rain tomorrow night through Friday morning. A windy tomorrow night and breezy early Friday. Dry, cool weekend, close to the average high. We'll cool off starting Tuesday of next week from the 40s back down into the 30s. But right now it's trending dry for Thanksgiving Day itself. So one more nice day, guys.
And that is good because, you know, a lot of people are traveling. So we want to know that Wednesday and Thursday looks good. Thanks, George.
You know, it sounds like if you didn't get your Christmas lights up this week, the last few days, might be a little chilly doing it soon.
But a lot of people did. I've been even seeing them driving home late at night, George. I walked into the building today and it was like, oh, I don't want to go into work. I want to stay outside.
So nice.
No, you can put them up, but don't turn them on yet.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That's the thing. You can put them up in August as far as I'm concerned. Not until after Thanksgiving.
Oh,
That's George's rule.
Yet.
No, that's
their fun.
That's his rule.
I have an inflatable turkey in my front yard. That is appropriate.
That'll work.
Oh, anyway, we've got another nice day coming up here, guys, tomorrow. Just not quite as much as sunshine. Nonetheless, the 13 weather ball is a green, so no change foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today, 60 plus in most locations, including 67 in Battle Creek. Somehow we stopped at 59 here in Grand Rapids. I was hoping we would get to 60 because that's what we forecast within our target range. We've done that 7 days in a row. Clear skies today. We had 85% of the possible sunshine after 2 100% sunshine days. Won't see quite as much here during the day tomorrow. Nonetheless, it is clear outside right now, but late tonight we'll see some high clouds move on in. Right now, high pressure keeping all of the precipitation away. Later on tonight, we'll see a few high clouds come in from the west. So we'll start our day with some of those high clouds, no precipitation. Clouds will come and go, but they'll really thicken up tomorrow afternoon. Another nice day with those south winds starting to increase, especially in the afternoon. The lakeshore areas can see winds over 30 miles per hour in gusts. And then the rain arrives. This will be after midnight tomorrow night. So a dry day tomorrow. And this is 7 a.m. Friday. Notice the showers, the heavier ones from Grand Rapids off to the south and east. And by noon, they're done. We'll end the day with some sunshine, but the winds will be turning around to the north. So our highs on Friday will be right around midnight, and they'll drop into the 30s by the end of the day. During the daylight hours, they'll drop from the upper 40s into the low 40s. Clear night here Friday night into Saturday morning. Saturday and Sunday should be nice days under clear to partly cloudy skies. But again, a little bit cooler than we have seen. In terms of rainfall, all of this will be after midnight tomorrow night. So you have a chance to get out and blow those leaves into your flower beds as we talked about earlier. We're talking about a quarter to as much as a half an inch of rain. A lot of that will be from I-96 down through I-94. So for tomorrow, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Definitely breezy, especially in the afternoon. Highs will be around 60 northern half of the lakeshore zone, low and mid 60s south. About where you were today, maybe a couple of degrees warmer. South winds will increase to about 15 to 20, gusting to 30 by the end of the day. Mostly cloudy skies in the northern part of our viewing area. Not quite as breezy here, 8 to 16 mile-per-hour winds, around 60 to as warm as 62 in Greenville. Grand Rapids southward, we're looking breezy conditions here in Allegan County toward the lakeshore. Not quite so inland. We'll have south winds 7 to 14, gusting to about 25. Highs tomorrow around 62 to 64. 13 on your side forecast. So dry weather here tomorrow, 62 for a high. Rain tomorrow night, ending on Friday morning. Still kind of breezy, dropping from 49 around sunrise to 43 by the end of the day. 45 on Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy, even sunny on Sunday. Another dry day Monday, up to 46, which is close to our average high. More rain Monday night into Tuesday. It may linger into Wednesday. There's a slight chance there could be a couple of snowflakes mixed in with that as well. But right now, Thanksgiving Day and the afternoon prior to Thanksgiving should be dry. Maybe a rain or snow mix, but nothing sticking on Black Friday.